Hi everyone! Today we are here in this beautiful place in Istanbul and it's called Ataturk Botanical Park. As you can see, we are surrounded by beautiful nature and this place is another alternative, and if you are a nature lover, then this is the perfect place for you. So we will be giving you all the information about the fees and where exactly it is and how you can reach it. You need to reach the metro line M2, Yeni Kapı Hacı Osman, which is the line that takes us to Taksim. From there, take the metro to Hacı Osman direction and get off at the very last station with that name. Take the bus number 42HM and get off in Kemerburgaz Yolu station and walk about 300 meters to the Arboretum's entrance. The entrance fee per person is only 7.50 liras in weekdays and 20 liras on weekends. It's open from 8:30 to 5 p.m. and is closed on Mondays. Please keep in mind that it's forbidden entering the place with bicycles, pets, or tripods for professional filming, and within the place, picnics or any type of ball game aren't allowed. The Ataturk Arboretum is located in Bekçeköy, in the district of Sariyer, in the European side of Istanbul. It opened to public in 1982 and was named in honor of Mustafa Kemal Ataturk, the founder of Turkish Republic. The main goal of the Arboretum is to serve the faculty and the students of Istanbul University's Forestry Department, including the relevant agencies of the Ministry of Forest and Water Management, forest engineers, landscape architects, domestic and foreign scientists, as well as nature lovers in the research work. This is a very beautiful place to come. If you're a nature lover, we definitely recommend you coming here. Also, this place is excellent for families with little children. We have seen people with strollers, with little kids, so this is perfect for all family members. We read a lot about on internet about this place, and we read that one of the best seasons to come here is during fall. And as you can see, everything is so colorful. Even I found these little leaves, and you can take a lot of beautiful photos as well. It's fresh right now, and definitely you have to come here if you have the chance. This place perfectly shows that Istanbul isn't only big buildings or historical sites. In fact, here we can also find forests, botanical gardens, and arboretums, such as this one, where we can escape the activity of the bustling city for a bit. While walking, people might see cute animals wandering around. In our case, we saw a cute little squirrel and had so much fun interacting with people. In this wonderful place, we can enjoy outstanding nature and connect with our souls in a peaceful environment. As you can see, there are many other alternatives in Istanbul for all those nature lovers and that worth a visit. For more tips and recommendations on Turkey and Istanbul, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. See you next time. Bye bye.